Good morning, children. As you all know, there is an EVS exam going to held in this month. Yes, the portion is also given lesson number 1 to 6. So, for that exam, we are going to start revision from today. Revision means there will be given a worksheet. Yes, and that worksheet is in the Word file. That is, you all know from where you get the notes. Okay, so you have to solve it on your own in notebook. Children, note it down. Solve this worksheet of lesson number 1 in your notebook. Don't do in any book, okay? In the EVS notebook and with pen, as you all know. So, before solving this, what do you have to do? You have to read the chapter number 1 thoroughly. Reading means not just simply reading. Yes, you have to mark the things. If you think that this can become as a fill in the blanks, just stick it down, okay? Because the paper has not been set by school, and don't rely on chapter. Okay, so let's quickly recall the things. So very first was cement bridge. Let's start. Okay, so cement bridge is made by using what? By using bricks, then cement and iron rod. 3 things. And the bridges have stairs on the side. The bridges have stairs too. These are the 2 important points. Okay, now next is the next is boat. Okay, so place in Gujarat, that is Bet Dwarka. Bet Dwarka is a place in Gujarat where boat are used to go to school, because that area is completely surrounded by water. So that's why here boat are used as a means of transportation. And whenever we travel by boat, how do you feel, children? How do you feel when you're traveling in a boat? Yes, you might be excited, or you might be feeling scared. Yes, you might be feeling happy. All these things. So how do you feel? That you have to think by yourself. Fine. So next is camel cart and bullock cart. Camel cart is a means of communication we use when we live in a desert area. When the area is completely desert. Yes. So in desert areas we can't use bus, we can't use boat. We use only the one thing, that is camel cart. So children use camel cart to go to school. And the next is when there is a plain area. Plain means what? The land which is even, and especially in villages. So in the villages children use this bullock cart. Yes. Okay, now next is bicycle ride. Okay, bicycle ride means what? Bicycle ride means what? Just going to school, riding on a bicycle. So especially girls can go to school by using bicycle. Not only girls, boys can also go, but initially girls were not allowed. Yes, so bicycle gave them a chance to go to school. That's it. Okay, now the next is what? So when the area is completely jungle. Okay, so in during the jungle, what happens? Like in Gir forest, in Gujarat, Gir forest is a place which is full of jungle. So the children has to cross this jungle. Okay, so just to cross this jungle to go to school. And while they are crossing through jungle, what happened? What kind of things they will see, and they will listen? They will listen. That is, they will hear different kind of sounds of birds and animals, and like this every day they used to listen, and they used to go to school. Okay, if the land is not even means what? If the land is somewhat, usually in the mountain the roads are rocky and uneven. 2 things. The path is rocky and uneven. Rocky means full of stones. Uneven means what? It's not smooth. So children face difficulties to go to school. They have to step very carefully. Yes, they have to cross very carefully just to go to school. Okay, the next is what? If the children are physically disabled. Physically disabled means what? Whose hands are not there, whose legs are not there, who cannot speak, who cannot listen, like all these things. Okay, when such kind of children are there, what happen? Do they go to school? Obviously yes, they also go to school. By using what? By using the wheelchair which is provided by the school. For such children, special schools are there. Yes, and a wheelchair has been provided to them. By using wheelchair, they just go to school. So okay, now next these two things makes a ropeway. Okay, so ropeway means what? In Gujarat, especially in Pavagadh or Ambaji, have you all visited? How you have visited? Have you seen the ropeway? Yes, you have seen because it is there. So ropeway is there in Pavagadh or Ambaji in Gujarat. For ropeway consists of two things, as I said. Yes, rope of wire and a trolley. Trolley means what? It is an open wooden box, as I have already said. Okay, children used to sit in the trolley and then they used to go to school. Why the ropeway is there? Why the ropeway is there? Because if they have to cross a river or a valley means what? The area between two mountains. Okay, so if they have to cross the river or valley, so for that ropeway has been constructed. Okay, now next is what? Bamboo bridge. The area where there is raining a lot and the water gets logged. Okay, water gets logged means water gets accumulated. What happened? There the bamboo bridge are built just to cross the route. So that's it. After listening my video, go to the chapter number 1, read it, and then only start with the worksheet of lesson number 1, that is the revision worksheet in the notebook. That's it. So children, here is the worksheet of your lesson number 1. The very first is a dash is a semi-pakka structure. Semi-pakka means what? Which is not stronger. A dash is not a stronger structure, which means of communication we have learned in this chapter, which is not so strong. Okay, now next, a dash help to lift heavy things. It is there in the workbook. Fine. So answer you have to write it on your own. Okay, now next, cement bridge is dash than bamboo bridge. Cement bridge is what? Stronger or weaker? Think and write. Okay, now next, dash is a place where boat are used to go to school by children. Which place in Gujarat? Especially in Gujarat. So Bet Dwarka is a place where boats are used by children to go to school. Okay, next, rivers are crossed. Next is bridge have dash too. As I said, bridge have something on the side. Read it the textbook and write it down. Okay, next question is okay, next, children can easily go to school on dash. Sorry, children, not girls. Girls can easily go to school. Initially, girls were not allowed to go to school, but because of dash, they can ride on that and they can go to school. So think about the question. Okay, now that next is the path on the mountain are dash and dash. Mountain paths are dash. They are full of rocks. Land is not even. So think and write it down, these two answers. Okay. Ropeway consists of a strong rope of dash and dash. Okay. Two things are there. Consist of ropeway. Ropeways consist of only two things. Think it and write. Okay. Next, physically disabled people are provided dash for going to school. Okay. What are they provided by the school? Just think about and write it down. Let's move towards our next page. Children, pause the video. If you are writing from the video, pause it. First write down all the question and then write the answers on your own. Okay, don't copy. And with pen in the EVS book. Okay, now children, coming to our second page, here are some question answers that you have to write. Okay, the very first question is, what do you feel when you travel by boat? Imagine if you are traveling by boat, what kind of feelings you are getting inside? Okay, are you happy, nervous, feeling scared? Okay, the feelings you have to just write it down on your own. How do you feel when you travel by boat? Okay, next, what are the materials used to construct the bridge? Three things are important for constructing a bridge. Write it down, that three things. Next question, if the bridges are not there on the road, what do we face? Imagine children, there are lot of roads, sorry, there are lot of bridges in our city. Yes, imagine if the bridge are not there, what happen on the road? Okay, there will be lot of traffic jam, then there are lot of accidents happen, there will be lot of vehicles on the road, there will be a situation of traffic. Yes, there will be a situation of accident case also. So like this. Okay, next, what are the drawback of using boat? This we have seen in the workbook. Yes, so write it down the answer. Drawback means what? Drawback means what? Everything has a positive and a negative side. Okay, so negative points. If we travel by boat, write down the negative points. Means what? If the boat is of bad quality, if the wood has been rotten. Yes, this answer I have already given in the workbook, but still I am telling. If the wood, yes, if the wood has been rotten, what happens? There might be a case of drowning. Yes, if the wood is not properly fixed, if the wood is rotten, you all know what is meant by rotten. Rotten means it's of a bad quality. What happened? The boat might sink in the water. So these are the things. And when the rain comes, children have to use the umbrella while traveling in boat. So these are all the things. These are all the drawback of using boat. Okay, now next question is differentiate between cement bridge and bamboo bridge. Cement bridge is made by using three things. Dash, 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 you all know. And bamboo bridge is also made by using two things. I have already given. Still this answer also. Think, learn the answer and then write it down. This cement bridge is stronger, bamboo bridge is not so stronger. Okay, so write down all these things. First copy the questions and then write it down, give the heading as the answers and write it down all the answers on your own. Try to write the answer on your own. Don't copy simply the answer from the notebook or from the textbook. If you will copy, it will be of no use for you.